Hello, welcome back to my video. In this video, I am going to talk about the shape of the graph. So when it comes to shape, we have three types: symmetric, scaled to the left, scaled right. So symmetric graph, we will look in something like normal distribution. Like they are symmetric, or sometimes we will see some shape. It look like with two peaks. These also symmetric. So scale to the left, so maybe you will see some histogram. Most of the data are clustered on the right, and then there's some outliers on the left. So overall the graph look like this way. This is called scale left. So scale is where is the tail. So if the tail is on the left, so we call it scale left. So scale right, so we will see a data like this. Most of the data maybe is on the left and something is on the right. So this is scale to the left. So the long tail helps you to identify the scale. Okay, so after the shape, we also have the mode. So normal means the data basically has no peak. So you will see some data look like this way. So they fluctuated, but you don't see a very obvious mode. So this is no mode. Unimode is you will see a data have one peak. Such as this one, you will see a very obvious peak in here. So bimodal means you are going to see two peaks. So the data might look like, it doesn't have to be the same height, the two peaks. They can be different height, but you will obviously see that, hey, there is going to be two peaks. So multimodal means you have more than two peaks. So you might see something like this one. So you're seeing that, hey, here, this data has three peaks. So a mode basically is represented by the prominent peak in the distribution. It's the value with most occurrence in the data set. Okay, so another thing is outliers and the subpopulation. So outlier is an observation that lies an abnormal distance from the other value in a random sample from the population. So which means often this outlier is going to recording errors or something that is excessively unusual. Okay, so such as the scale data, you will see a data. Most of the data, they are clustered on the left side in here. And somehow you will see two or three data on the right. So this scale right data, because the tail is on that way. So these two is the outliers. Okay, subpopulation is the subset of a population that shows one or more additional property. So such as, this is first of all is a subset of a population that shares one or more additional properties. Property such as we're trying to take a survey on SPSC student. So our population is all of the SPSCC student. So the subpopulation can be the student major in nursing program or student major in business program. Or you can separate the subpopulation, like student who starting SPSC in 2024 or SPSC student that starting in 2023. Okay, so here is how we're describing the graph of data.